Festivals of India. India is a land of cultures and traditions. Hence, India is called as the land of festivals and faiths. Festivals are the occasions when people unite to celebrate and share their happiness. Here, festivals are celebrated with great passion and joy. Indian festivals are known to attract the world because of their harmony, variety, color, and excitement. In India, there are three types of festivals celebrated. They are national festivals, religious festivals, and harvest festivals. Now let's look into national festivals. Festivals that are celebrated by entire nation are called national festivals. There are three national festivals. They are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti. Independence Day. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year as India became independent on 15th August 1947. Our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort, New Delhi on this day. Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year as Constitution of India came into effect on 26 January 1950. The President of India hoists the national flag at Rajpath, New Delhi on this day. Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. He is known as Father of Nation and lovingly he was called as Bapu. He believed in peace and non-violence. Religious festivals. India is a land of many religions. Hence, many religious festivals are celebrated with joy across the country. Now let's look into few religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights, joy and prosperity. Diwali is also called as Deepavali, which means row of lights. Prayers are offered to worship goddesses Lakshmi, the goddesses of wealth. Diwali marks the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya. All wear new clothes, put beautiful rangolis, exchange sweets and gifts, decorate houses with lights, diyas, lanterns, candles and burst crackers. Diwali is celebration of victory of good over evil. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Holi is the spring festival of India. People sing, dance and play with colors on this day and exchange sweets. Dashera. Dashera is celebrated to mark the victory of good over evil. Dashera is celebrated as the day on which Lord Rama killed Ravana. It is also called as Vijayadashami. Ganesh Chaturthi. This 10-day-long festival honors the birth of the beloved elephant-headed god Lord Ganesh. Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan, a festival celebrating the noblest and the deepest bond between a brother and sister. And the sisters ties a sacred thread on their brother's wrist. Janmashtami. Janmashtami or Krishnashtami commemorates the birth of Lord Krishna. Buddha Purnima. The birthday of Gautam Buddha is celebrated as Buddha Purnima. Eid. Eid ul Fitr is the most treasured festival for Muslim community all across the globe. Eid is celebrated after a whole month of fasting. They visit mosque to pray. On Eid, they greet each other and prepare delicious delicacies. Guru Purab. Guru Purab is an important festival for the Sikh community across the world. Guru Purab marks the birth of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikh religion. On the day of the festival, colorful processions are taken out. People visit Gurudwaras to pray and food is distributed to all. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December, the day when Jesus Christ was born. They visit church on this day. Gift exchanges, putting up Christmas trees, prayers, and family reunions are common during Christmas. Children and adults sing carols in the night, and Santa Claus is believed to drop in at the midnight with gifts for the children. Harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated to mark the harvesting of crops and change of seasons. Few harvesting festivals celebrated in India are Baisakhi in Punjab, Uttarayan in Gujarat, Gudi Padwa in Maharashtra, Makara Sankranti Karnataka, Onam Kerala, Pongal Tamil Nadu, Sankranti Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, Paush Parban West Bengal, Bihu Assam. These are few harvest festivals celebrated in our country. Festivals make our life colorful and bring people together. Festivals make people forget all ill will and strengthen the feeling of oneness to the people. Thank you.